Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. I recently purchased 4 of the 8 new Lina nail art stamping plates, and this is the final one I'll be swatching and reviewing from the 4. Express Your Nails 01, which I purchased from Nail Artisan, and you can find the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using 2 different stampers for this swatching, which will be my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll be using the clear head, but also my small clear stamper along with my favourite scraper. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be stamping onto, and I'm going to begin with this teal coloured nail tip. This swatch I'll be using the small stamper to use with these letters, and I'm going to spell the word nails, and I'll be using black stamping polish. I have other stamping plates which have letters on, but nothing this small, so even small nails will be able to use these. You will notice that I am using a very small amount of stamping polish. I found with using the small amount that I wasn't picking up a huge amount of excess. Whatever excess I do pick up I will remove with my lint roller, but it just makes for a smaller portion of the area that you're working for. You still pick up a very crisp image. Now this is time consuming. This nail took me about 90 seconds to complete, but you can write whatever you want, total custom nails, and I like that these have the capitals and the lower cases along with the numbers, which for New Year's nail manis dates, this will make them so easy to achieve. For the second swatch I'm going for these cactuses. Now I'm going to show you how I did my photo swatch I did. I'm going to use a white nail tip, and I'll be using a green and a black. I'm going to place small blobs of the green over the image, and then I'll come behind it with the black. I'll then scrape, but I'll only scrape twice, 3 times maybe, otherwise you end up with a muddy puddle, just to mix these colours. And it's a brilliant effect to have. For the third swatch I'll be using a yellow nail tip along with red stamping polish, and I'm going to use the sunshine faces. This is definitely a summer mani image. You could even take this one step further and colour all of the sun faces in with colour. That would look really cool. I sort of expect this image to be quite a hit on social media over the summer. For the fourth swatch I'm going back to the small stamper, and I'm going to be using the pink nail tip along with the dark purple stamping polish. Again, I'm not using a huge amount of polish, and just like the first swatch I'll remove the excess. Now this is another image that I can see being a real hit across social media again. For the fifth swatch I'll be using a blue nail tip along with white stamping polish. I really do need a small stamper that has a clear holder so you can actually see what I'm doing. It's really beginning to annoy me now. But there are some really cool words though, and this will make some very unique nails. And then here they are all together. Now I think my favourite from this has to be the sunshines. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I have created. Express Your Nails 01 is just fantastic. There is 10 large style designs at the top of the plate, and then there's about 50 or so small word images across the whole of the plate. And this doesn't include the letters and the numbers at the bottom. For all of the images, apart from the letters and the numbers, I have used my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper. From the small letters I wrote Glittershinenails, and I used my small clear stamper, and I have done this before in the past with another stamping plate, but I really like how this looks across the nails. There's also some brilliant words, like I put the me in awesome, life's a beach, and one I totally love is I totally agree with myself. There's really so much to offer. Now, I don't think this plate will be everybody's cup of tea. I mainly purchased it for a couple of the small word images, but also the letters and the numbers. I do find sometimes they're just too big of letters, but these are small enough where you can fit quite a few letters on one nail. I also did the year as well, just to show you what I was talking about the New Year's manis earlier on. But if you like having words in your manis, then this could be the plate for you. And I have to say that the small word images all came out brilliantly, very clean and very clear, which is really good. This is quite an unusual plate for me to own. I only actually have a few of these type of plates. I do think that I would like to see a multi-font letter plate from Lina, but in smaller sizes like this one, that I would definitely purchase for 100% sure. The pencil, the lips and the sunshine faces would all look great, all coloured in. This plate will work alongside so many manis and will add a really different effect as well. If you've missed my other 3 new stamping plates from Lina that I recently purchased, you can find them in my Lina nail art playlist here on my channel, along with all the other Lina plates I own, and there's quite a few. For the mani, I was unsure on what I wanted to do, but I decided on inspirational mani. So I used a new purple hollow nail polish that I'd just had come in, and I stamped in black. With these small word images, you can see how they fitted onto my nails. They are a really nice size, and so even if you have smaller nails than me, you could still use these designs. I really like how this turned out, and I have never done a mani like this before. You'll find links to Lina Nail Art and Nail Artisan's Instagram pages, along with my Instagram page, in the description box below. There is loads of inspiration over there, and I can't wait to see what Lina brings out next. Going by the time of year, I'm thinking summer plate. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Express Your Nails 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.